To add a picture of a Ketso Connect to a Padlet, you can scan the QR code with a mobile phone or tablet. Or you can open a web browser, then take the website that you've been given and type that in. So you just type in the website. There's no need to download anything. You're just opening it in the browser. That brings up the Padlet. You then look to find the space where the breakout rooms are. So here's where the breakout groups are. I click on that. That brings up all of the different breakout groups. I need to then scroll down to find the breakout group I'm in. So I know I'm in breakout group number 6. I click on that. This opens the Padlet for my breakout group. To add a picture, I just use this pink plus button in the bottom right. Click on the camera icon. Then I turn the camera around to get the orientation right. Take a picture of the felt. Check that it looks okay. Yep, that looks pretty good. Yep, I can read that. Press OK. Takes a moment to upload. Obviously, if it didn't look okay, take another picture. You can always take more than one if you need to. I might add my initials and my name just to make it easy to find my felt. Press save, and then it appears in the Padlet, and then I can share that in my breakout room with my group by clicking on it.